clothes. It was a Sunday. Mummy and Papa were busy with household chores while Chinky was brushing her teeth, still half asleep. Meanwhile, on the other side, Gattu held a cricket bat in his hands.
Mummy, I'm going out to play cricket. I'll be back in 2 hours. Okay, but make sure you finish your homework on time because we have to go to a party this evening. I've already finished my homework, Mummy. Good boy.
As soon as Gattu stepped out of the house, he found Bunty and Hari standing right in front of him. A look of gloom hung over both their faces.
Bunty, Hari, what happened? Why do you look so sad and gloomy? Hey Gattu, there is going to be a fair at the ground today, so we won't be able to play cricket there. We'll have to cancel today's match.
Just then Chinky arrived there.
Hey, what's the need to cancel? You guys can just play right here at home, but play a little carefully so that nothing gets broken. Oh yes.
Gattu, Bunty and Hari start playing cricket. First up, Gattu takes the bat. He hits a series of magnificent shots. Whether it's Bunty or Hari, both get thoroughly thrashed. Then caught up in the excitement, Gattu plays a powerful shot. The ball flies into the balcony and strikes the clothes stand kept there. The stand topples over and all the clothes fall from the balcony down to the ground below, getting ruined.
Oh no! What have you done, Gattu? Mummy just finished washing all these clothes. Now she'll have to wash them again. No, don't tell her anything about this. Otherwise she'll scold me. But we will have to tell her because we are supposed to wear these clothes to the party this evening. This trouble turned out to be bigger than I thought. Now we are the one who have to wash and dry these clothes. Come on, let's go downstairs and gather them all up. These have gotten really dirty, Chinky. Yes, but to wash them, we'll have to take them back inside the house. And as you know, Mummy is inside only. Oh no, what do we do now? Guys, I have an idea. I'll go and come back in a flash.
Bunty and Hari make a quick getaway from the spot. And in the garden, they spot 2 buckets. One yellow and one red.
Hari, I'll fill the red bucket with water and you take the yellow one. But where is the water?
Just then Bunty catches sight of the watchman.
See this pipe. First we have to disconnect it from the tap and then we need to fill these buckets as fast as we can.
Without wasting time, Bunty pulls the pipe from the tap. And as he does that, the watchman is surprised. But just as the 2 of them lift their buckets, Watchman Uncle steps right in front of them. So, this is what's going on.
Sorry Uncle, it's an emergency. I'll come back and explain everything.
And saying this, the 2 of them run off from the spot. And running all the way, they reach Gattu.
Wow, Bunty and Hari, you both did amazing job. But what about the detergent? This packet of paper soap will do the trick instead of detergent. I always keep it with me. Yay!
The children put the dirty clothes into the buckets and begin washing them. Using Harry's paper soaps, they create plenty of foam. And in just a short while, the clothes look as good as new.
Come on, let's hang them on the drying stand now.
The moment Chinky says this, clouds gather in the sky. And the sunlight vanishes.
Oh no, the sun is gone. How will these clothes dry now? Don't worry, Gattu. When clothes don't dry in the sun, you dry them using the wind. I don't understand. Let's take the clothes to my house. You will understand everything.
A short while later, everyone arrives at Hari's house. The children put all the clothes over the chairs to let them dry. Immediately after, Hari switches on the pedestal fan standing nearby. Seeing this, a broad smile spreads across Gattu's face.
Oh wow, Hari, that is a truly brilliant idea.
But just after a while, the fan suddenly stops. Gattu comes in tension.
Oh no, how did the fan stop?
Looks like electricity is gone.
What do we do now? If the power doesn't return, these clothes won't dry by evening. And if the clothes don't dry, we'll be in huge mess. What will we do now?
Gattu, if you take my advice, go and tell your mom the whole truth.
Oh no, Hari. If mom finds out about all this, she'll absolutely tear me apart. Then what are we supposed to do? Guys, tell me something. Why didn't you all go to the ground to play cricket? Because preparations for the fair were underway in the ground and fair must have already begun. Is there a Ferris wheel at the fair? Yes, there is. Every fair has one, doesn't it? Guys, I have a super idea for drying the clothes. But for that, we'll have to go to the fair.
Carrying the clothes, the children arrive at the fair. She then explains the entire plan to all the children. After that, each child takes 2 articles of clothing and boards the Ferris wheel. As soon as the Ferris wheel starts moving, the children begin waving their clothes in the air with both hands. And just as the ride comes to an end, all the clothes are completely dry.
See, Gattu, all the clothes are dry. And in just 5 minutes too. I salute you, Jiggy. You are not just a star, you are a superstar.
All the children arrive at home with the dry clothes and quickly hang them up on the drying stand. A short while later, Mummy comes out onto the balcony and sees that the clothes have dried.
Oh my, the sun didn't even really come out today. So how did these clothes dry so quickly? Come on, Gattu, tell Mummy. She won't say anything. Are you sure? Yes, definitely.
Mustering up a lot of courage, Gattu tells Mummy the whole story.
Oh, for you guys, you didn't need to go through all that trouble. Gattu, what could have happened? We would have simply wear different clothes to the party. So from now on, if anything like this happens, you must come to me first. Understood? Understood, Mummy.
Mummy quickly irons everyone's clothes. And in just a short while, everyone is ready. They get into the car and set off for the party.
चमकीली आंखें नौटी सी है हंसी करते ये कुछ भी इनमें हिम्मत है सी जूनियर समझ के तुम हो खाना खाना गट्टू और चिंकी को सबने है माना उनके जलवों का पिटारा पुटुन डेट्स ये हमारा उनके टैलेंट का नजारा पुटुन डेट्स ये हमारा ये जलवों का पिटारा पुटुन डेट्स ये हमारा उनके टैलेंट का नजारा पुटुन डेट्स ये हमारा चलते रहते हजारों ही सवाल साइंस हो या कल्चर हम सीखे इनके साथ फुल जोश में मनाते